This RE/MAX House Values property video is presented by Kathleen Corder. First floor living. Open floor plan, extensive views out over deck and lake. Level lot, 70 feet dock. 3 bed, 2 updated bathrooms, hardwood, flooring, new carpet. Immediate occupancy, just unpack and enjoy. Eat-in kitchen, wood cabinetry and breakfast bar opens to great room living/dining combo over wood plank flooring. Great room host pellet stove, a wall of windows with French sliders that lead to 30 by 15 deck. 2 first floor bedrooms and new full baths. Master suite with bonus loft for office. 3rd bedroom designed for fun with 2 pull-out built-in drawers for single beds, open floor space for recreation play area and knee wall closet storage. Oversized attached garage could be converted to additional living space. Professional landscape on level lot. Beach club community. Hike, bike, fish, swim. Immediate occupancy. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Corder at 973-770-7777.